Hi there. I just received an Excel extract from our marketing system from my manager. It's about 10,000 records, and he wants me to do an analysis that we can present to our work group that answers some pretty detailed questions, like who responded and sales by store, which customer segment was the best. Also, what week or weeks were the best during our fall clearance campaign, and was there a drop-off? Now, it's really hard to do this analysis with just Excel. It would take just too much time. So I'm going to use the Oracle Data Viz cloud service to really impress him. Let's get started and create a brand new project. Now, it guides me through the process, and first step is to simply upload my data file. So I'll point at that campaign file that he sent to me and bring it into the interface. Now, it presents me the option immediately to compare the file and maybe make some changes if I need to. I know this one's great, so I simply bring it in and add it to my project. You'll immediately see now the attributes on the left-hand side, and I can get started. So I want to look at responses and sales by day of week and store. And I just drag that out onto the canvas. Excellent. That's a really good start. I can see responses by sales and, of course, which stores had the best results. Now let's bring segment into play by simply double-clicking. Perfect. That's a great start. Now let's look at sales by day of week and segment and allow the interface to create the best visualization just with a right click. Immediately, there it is. I've got a stacked bar chart, and I can compare and see the relationships between the two different visualizations. I also can easily sort this. And as expected, Friday and Saturday are our best days of the week. Let's go on. So let's do sales by week and segment. And this time I'm going to choose a visualization, and from my list I'm going to use line. Excellent. I can see all the different segments I'm analyzing, and I can look at the different weeks, and immediately week 40 jumps out as the best performing week, and that the Trendy Moms was the best segment. But you'll also notice that for professionals here, the green line, it was actually week 43 where we saw the best responses. So let's create a filter and just look at those trendy moms versus casuals and professionals. Perfect. That's a great analysis. Now, I expected that those 2 days of the week were the ones that I needed, so let's just delete that and move on. Let's do a location analysis of items and store, and I'm going to add a map. So I bring the map into play. Gives me a great starting point, and I know I can change this to maybe turn on the zoom feature and change the map background to be Oracle Maps. That's a great start. And let's bring sales into play so I can see the actual size of the bubbles based on sales. Excellent. It's exactly what I needed to get started. Maybe I just wanted to filter and keep just those specific parts of the campaign above a specific level, and then hide the filters. It's exactly what my manager needed, and I'm ready to share it with my work group. Thanks.